how do we access all that deeply buried subconscious material consciously if it takes normal psychotherapists, hypnotic regression to get there? How did you discover this practice? What is it exactly? How does it differ?
First of all, I can't say that you might say, created this process myself. I mean, like most processes, I stood on the shoulders of someone else and evolved it beyond where I learned it. There was a doctor in LA by the name of Morris Netherton who was doing a form of non-hypnotic past life therapy that I worked with him, and I learned his system, but he specifically only dealt with past lives. He didn't deal with it between life. He didn't deal with a lot of things that I knew to be important, although maybe not crucial in the beginning. So I learned Dr. Netherton's process and then evolved it and refined it to what it is today, past life therapy. And it's really interesting that most people think, well, past lives, you would have to be in trance or you'd have to have some kind of hypnotic process to access them. But what people don't realize is we're in and out of, past life responses, throughout our day often. Right. Little things trigger fears, reactions, and whatnot. They have their roots in past lives. We just aren't conscious of it. And so when I sit down with someone and I do an intake interview and I start to ask them about their life, what's their challenges, what are their fears, what would they like to change, and when they start to talk about that, it's easy to identify the areas of their life that are likely tied to past life trauma. Yeah. And so we focus on those and determine where to start based on that.